What's up, everybody? Welcome to Auto 3 Garage and welcome to the series Is It Worth It? On today, we are looking at this 1987 Carrera Cabriolet. This thing had caught my eye off the Facebook Marketplace. I thought I would share it, and I want to know other people's opinion. Is it worth $45,000? Now, these cars back in its time does hold some true value and some craftsmanship, especially from Porsche. Based off, I guess, the history of the car, like meaning the maintenance and how well taken care it was, like inside and out, I feel like that sets the value of the car and the history of the car, honestly. Now, this is the inside of the car. It does look fairly used and all that. Could use some little TLC. This is the 3.2 flat six on the back. The front side always get me. Like, I love it. It just looks so cool. And even the backside with a wide fender flare. Anyway, they do have the Cassis Red Metallic over the burgundy interior. It is powered by a 3.2 liter flat six. It does have a G50, which is a 5-speed manual, which it has the shorter gears. They put it in on the 1987 through 1989. It replaced the 915 gearbox. As you can see, they did say they have regular maintenance scheduled over the years, and it been in the garage kept. Now, only issue it did have is the gauge cluster. Now, I wanted to look at the value of this car. I was trying to look at the Blue Kelly book, but I really couldn't really pick nothing up, so I decided to look at this classic car.com website. I hope I hope I'm saying that right. But look like these cars been selling up there. Like, if they like at excellent condition, fair condition, they've been selling really pretty high. Just based off these other cars I was looking in the graphs. Just going back from 5 years to yesterday and 6 months or so. As you can see, this one's selling for like 57,000. And that's a nice color. And then the white one is 67,000. So I guess it depends on the mileage too of the car. And you got the lowest one that's about 31, and that one about 45. That one about 70. And that red looks so good. The red always looks so good on this car. Anyway, these are the specs. It is air cooled, which is pretty cool. And I mean, it's a fairly nimble car. You got a 5-speed. You can feel. I'm talking about you can feel all the gears banging through. And then they also got the chassis specs and all that. Got the brakes and all the good little goodies on this car. Now, I think what stands out to me is the performance. It's only 152 miles per hour and no 0 to 60, of course, because it's probably like a laid back car that was just driven on special occasions and all that. But yeah, this is the Carrera Cabriolet specs for the 1987 model. Now, this is the engine. It looks so good. It's pretty cool that you can access the engines back then compared to now. Now, I had a look at this particular website to get the interior and exterior paint colors, because I thought that Cassis Red Metallic, I thought they painted it on there. I didn't see it as an option, but I do see it now. It does say Cassis Red right there. But earlier, I thought that wasn't like a color option. The underside really looks good. That's where it got that G50. This is the car right here that we looking back at it again. Y'all let me know if it's worth $45,000. I believe it is. I mean, it look good. I was looking at these other 911s. Man. Oh, man. Just like the 928 right there. Color look really sick. Like, it looks pretty cool and classic. Y'all let me know what's y'all favorite color on here. Many people going to say red. I would probably go with black or gray, but top option probably be red. Take a listen of how this thing like sound. Like just take a listen. Man, she sounds so good and amazing. Anyway, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Let me know what was your favorite Porsche in this era, which is the 80s. If y'all not aware, I do have a 944, and I am currently working on it and all that right now. But I always like the 993. That's like my favorite one, and the 996. This one also, I really like the Tiger one. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not, but the Tiger. Oh man, I love that one. It's but the Cabriolet is pretty cool though. It's like a more soft top and all that. But anyway, is this car worth $45,000? I would say yes. You would just have to go off the history of the car, like the maintenance, and you got to check the underside, and much more things. Just to see what's the price point. But really, for the Porsches, you really can't put a price point on them, you know? You just really can't. You think it could sell like way higher or lower, and you either might be right or wrong. It might be a hit or miss. But yeah, let me know if y'all ever came across one of these before, and that's going to be pretty much it. See y'all.